Hello everyone, welcome to our DSA series day 6 in this left rotate array by 1 places. So our problem statement is given an array. This is our given an array. We need to rotate it to the left by 1 places. So the first element goes to the and every other element shift 1 places to the left. So output will look like this. So for solving this problem statement, first we see the brute force approach. So this is our brute force approach code. So now let's understand the code. First we store the size of array and create a temporary array at the same size. We use this temporary array to store the rotated elements. Now we shift to every element 1 position to the left. So then the first element is placed at the last position. Now our temporary array becomes 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1. Finally, we copy all the elements from the temporary array and back into the original array. For this approach, the time complexity is big O of n and the space complexity is also big O of n. Time complexity big O of n because we traverse the array twice, and the space complexity big O of n because we are using an extra temporary array. So optimized approach code is this. Let's understand this array. Instead of creating another array, we rotate the array in place. So first, let's understand the code. Store the size of the array. Okay, save the first element array. Save the first element array because it will be overwritten during the shifting. Initially, place. Okay, shift every element 1 position to the left. So for final iteration are look like 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1. Play 5 and 5. Place the saved first element at the last. So our finally array, it becomes 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1. For this approach, the time complexity is big O of n because we only traverse is once, and the space complexity is there is no extra array we use, so the space complexity is big O of n 1.